shut the door down and do a tool change? Tell me when.
I'm ready.
If you want, I can slow down the tool change.
No, that's good.
No. Do you want more tool change?
No, let's run her.
Okay, so that's 4,000 right now. How high do you want me to bring it?
What's the top?
12,000.
Let's do 8,000. Let's do 10,000.
That's 10-4.
Great. All right, can we move the table around and everything again?
Door open or closed? You want the door open or closed?
Let's just keep the door closed in this.
Okay, so just so you know, we're still missing the outstanding invoices, the other one we just got canceled. Whatever. There's two more missing. Those are the ones that you gotta read, like, if someone comes in and says, I bought 14, what panel number, like, that's the one that you refer back, right? But since you only got 7 slots,